Welcome back, students. Today we are discussing about the refractive index. What is meant by this refractive index? The refraction phenomenon is based on the speed change of light. Refractive index is a relative measurement for a given pair of media. In order to take place a refraction, a pair of media is required. From one transparent medium to another transparent medium, light ray has to be traveled. So, for a particular pair of media, refractive index can be measured. It is a relative measurement. Very simply, it is defined as the ratio between speed of light in the given pair of media. Ratio between speed of light in the given pair of media. That relative measurement is the refractive index. Since it is a relative measurement, we have to define it as the refractive index of one medium to another, or a refractive index of first medium with respect to the second one. Also, it is possible to define the refractive index of second medium with respect to first one. There exists a pair of media. So, with respect to the first one, we can measure the refractive index of second one, and with respect to the second one, we can measure the refractive index of first one. Already we know that the speed of light is different in different types of media. So, the ratio between the possible speed of light in the given pair of media is the relative refractive index. And we also know that light moves with its maximum possible speed through air or vacuum. Its value is also, you are familiar, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is the maximum possible speed of light. And that happens through the vacuum. There is no media, and almost with the same speed it moves through the normal atmospheric air. Suppose if we are measuring this ratio of speed of light in a medium with respect to the speed of light in air, then that is known as the absolute refractive index. If the ratio of speed of light in air and a particular medium is considered, then that is known as the absolute refractive index. And usually the absolute refractive index is represented with small letter n. So absolute refractive index n equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in the given medium, or velocity of light in air divided by velocity of light in the given medium. Velocity of light is air, that is represented with c, and its value, you are familiar with that one, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So absolute refractive index of any media can be obtained as c divided by speed of light in that particular medium, or 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second divided by speed of light in the given medium. That gives the absolute refractive index. And if we are measuring the refractive index of a medium with respect to other one other than air, then that is the relative refractive index. That is already we mentioned that refractive index of first medium can be measured with respect to second one, and the refractive index of second medium can be measured with respect to the first one. That is a relative refractive index, and the relative refractive index mathematically we can find out as the ratio between speed of light in the given pair of media. If we are measuring the refractive index of first medium with respect to second one, and that is represented as N12, refractive index of first medium with respect to second one, N12 equal to speed of light in the second medium divided by speed of light in the first medium. Speed of light in second medium divided by speed of light in first medium, or we can represent it as V2 divided by V1. And if we are measuring the refractive index of second medium with respect to first one, it is represented as N21, refractive index of second medium with respect to first one. N21 equal to speed of light in first medium with respect to speed of light in second medium, or V1 divided by V2, speed of light in the first medium divided by speed of light in the second medium. That gives the refractive index of second medium with respect to first one. The values of absolute refractive index of different transparent mediums are already given in your textbooks, and that value, just keep in mind that values, the refractive index of water, that is a transparent medium, and that is 1.33. Refractive index of air is normally considered as 1. Refractive index of glass is considered as 1.5. Refractive index of diamond is considered as 2.42. And other mediums values are also you can obtain from the textbooks. If refractive index of a medium is mentioned, then that is the absolute refractive index of that medium. That means it is measured, it is the ratio of speed of light in that medium measured with respect to air. The absolute refractive index is simply given as refractive index. If the refractive index of any medium is measured with respect to any other medium or other than air, then that should be mentioned as relative refractive index or refractive index of that medium with respect to the particular medium. It should be mentioned. If it is only given as refractive index, then that is the absolute refractive index of that medium. And the relative refractive index of any medium can be obtained in terms of the absolute refractive index also. If we know the absolute refractive index of that pair of media, then we can easily find out the relative refractive index. In terms of speed is possible, and also in terms of absolute refractive index, it is also possible. If we want to find the refractive index of first medium with respect to second one, that is N12, then in terms of speed, we already learned that it is speed of light in second medium divided by speed of light in first medium, or V2 divided by V1. If we know the absolute refractive index of this first and second medium, then it can be simply find out as the N12 equal to N1 divided by N2. That means absolute refractive index of first medium divided by absolute refractive index of second medium. And if you want to find the refractive index of second medium with respect to first one, in terms of speed, it is N21 equal to speed of light in first medium divided by speed of light in second medium, or V1 divided by V2. If we know the absolute refractive index, of this first and second medium, the N21 can be find out as N2 divided by N1. That is another method to find out the relative refractive index. It is possible to find the relative refractive index in terms of speed and also in terms of absolute refractive index.